What's up guys, Quattro Game back in the building and back at it in the A3 for another video. Today, I'm super duper excited about something I've been trying to do since I got the car to this stage of tune. As you guys know, this car is on the APR DTR 6054. It's got an intercooler, downpipe, RS3 exhaust, and a bunch of other things like an intake manifold and stuff like that. And I've been trying to turn it up a notch, you know what I'm saying? But obviously APR only offers fueling upgrade software for the Golf R and the S3. So this entire time I've been stuck on their baby boost level that they have for the GTI and E3. Today, we're going to open source tuning and we're gonna put on the fueling mods as best as I can, and we're gonna download the base file onto the A3 for 93. So let's hop straight into the video, man. On this APR Honestly, it took me forever and a day to finally put together the parts and the courage to take a deep dive into the fueling system on the A3. So hopefully, if we put everything together how the instructions say, it'll come together and not break. But honestly, when does anything ever go to plan on German cars? Getting the old fuel pump out was pretty easy. However, installing the new EQT brushless pump was a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. Honestly, if you have the ability to pay for a shop to do it, I honestly would, because as a DIY project, it is probably an 8 or 9 on a scale of 10 in difficulty. So I'm going to grab this bad mamma jamma sensor. This is, strangely enough, pinning the ECU for the multi-port injection is surprisingly easy. Installing the injectors into the intake manifold is totally different. If you can match numbers from a sheet into real life, you should be fine. However, putting in the MPI and getting all of the injectors to line up at the same time is surprisingly difficult. I spent about 25 to 30 minutes just trying to get each injector lined up perfectly, lubricated, and inserted into the hole it's supposed to go into. Another thing to note is that I've never done multi-port or low pressure fuel pump on an MQB car. I've done low pressure fuel pumps on the Mark V, so this will be a learning experience for me, and I'm glad that you guys can come along for the ride, and hopefully we can make some jam, and eventually the goal is to go full E85, but we want to dial the car in on 93 first, and then move on from there. So I appreciate you guys for watching, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. All right, boys, maiden voyage. We out in the A3. Already off top. This Joker feels fast as hell. Like, I'll get a little hit real quick.